To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your Ranger SP570, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. Next, pull up on the cargo box latch and pivot the box up. Before continuing, wipe away any dirt or debris around the spark plug boot with a clean, dry cloth. Then, carefully remove the spark plug boot. Before continuing, blow any dirt or debris out of the spark plug well with compressed air to prevent anything from falling into the cylinder. Then, carefully loosen the spark plug with the socket included in your toolkit and remove from the vehicle. Inspect the electrode for wear and carbon buildup and verify there are no cracks around the insulation. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Also, inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if needed. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended plugs. Severe engine damage may occur if the incorrect plug is used. Next, install the spark plug into the engine and torque to specification. Do not apply anti-seize to the threads. Before continuing, apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the spark plug boot. Reinstall the spark plug boot and ensure it is fully seated. Next, tilt the cargo box down and ensure it is properly latched. Finally, start the engine in a well-ventilated area to verify proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.